Do you want to render in Blender? Then you are in the right place. Welcome to ModelCraftedHub, and let's render in Blender. First, add a plane and scale it. Then extrude the line behind the cloth. Then go into the Modifiers tab and add the bevel modifier. Add around 50 segments and angle of 0.55 m. Now you can scale the plane and move the cloth up above the plane. Now let's add some lights. First, go into Viewport Shading Port. Then add a light object and place it above the cloth and increase the brightness. Duplicate that light and move it in front of the cloth and scale it. Rotate until the light looks toward the cloth and increase the intensity. Go into the Render tab and change the render setting from EV to Cycles. Now let's add a camera. Add a camera to your scene. Then click the camera, right-click on it, and click Set Active Camera. Now open the sidebar panel and go to View, and click on Set Camera to View. And move the camera until the cloth is seen in the middle. Now you can change the plane's color you want. I will add the red color like the color of my cloth. Now to render this, click on Render on the top left of your screen and click Render Image. Wait some time for Blender to render. And then save it. And you are done. Thanks for watching. Here is a random video. Until then, bye.